Hello there. Welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to know some interesting facts related to some interesting topics. I assure you, this channel will help you to enhance your IQ level in a quick time. Here I am with another interesting topic. The topic for discussion today is what is a virus? Well, viruses are microorganisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are visible only under the electron microscope. Viruses are the root cause of many diseases. Viruses are considered to be both living and non-living objects. When they grow and multiply in living cells, they are treated as living creatures. Viruses do not multiply outside living cells. Meyer in 1888 discovered the virus. He found them on tobacco leaves. There are many types of viruses of varying shapes and sizes. The smallest viruses are found in the cells of plants, animals and human beings. They are born in these cells, multiply there and spread diseases from there. Different viruses are responsible for different diseases. Some of the diseases spread by them in the human beings are jaundice, polio, measles, smallpox, chickenpox, etc. Some of the viruses are also responsible for brain diseases such as paralysis and rabies. Many diseases in the plants of tomatoes, sugar cane, bananas, lemon, etc. are also resulting in virus infection. Apart from plants, animals, and human beings, viruses also are a curse for other living organisms like fishes, frogs, insects, flowers, etc. Thus, due to their widespread reach with ill effects, viruses can be termed the greatest enemies of living beings. Most viruses cannot survive under high and low temperatures, whereas some of them are immune to the variation in temperature. Chlorine, hydrochloric acid, antibiotics, and sulfa drugs are often used to kill viruses. Thus, it is always better for us to be on the safe side from virus attacks. Immediate precautionary measures are to be taken before it multiplies. Thus, this is all about viruses. Hope this topic will add some light to your IQ level. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon with another interesting topic. Stay fit, stay fine. Bye.